Hey everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training, and we're going to continue on with our project, but we're going to start doing the electrical, and I'm going to explain to you how to link a architectural model into a electrical drawing or electrical template. So this is the model we've been working on. So I'm going to get out of this one. We can have this open while we're doing a link. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and do a super thanks to help support this channel. Because this is it right now. This is all I'm doing for income, and it's not much. So here we go. So I'm going to close this guy out. Close him up. I don't need to save it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go open. I'm going to go new, and I'm going to go to here. I'm going to do Imperial. So I'm going to go. I'm going to have to browse to this. If you're in, this is 23. So I'm going to browse here. And I'm going to open up an electrical default template. I'm going to open here. And I'm going to say OK. So now we have our template open. And then basically what we do from here, we want to go to our Manage tab and go to where it says Manage Links. So now I want to add, hit the Add button here. And I need to go find that link. Where is it? I think I've got it here. Come on. Street. And it's that one. I'm going to open this. And it's got to be internal origin to origin, as you can see. And then we hit open. And then it's just thinking there, trying to find that file. And then we're going to go OK. Okay, so there's our linked model here. And right now I want to go look at the west elevation here. Well, actually, no, I want to do the south in our case. Let's go with the south. Okay, now here, we've got some issues going on here. These two levels seems to be okay. And I'm going to keep them there, and I want to do a copy. I want to copy these two other levels in. So thank goodness we have that going on. So what you do there is, I'm going to see if I can do this right quick for you guys. We want to hover over this, and you see these match, and these don't. So basically, I'm probably going to have to add a new level in here. But for this one, yeah, I'm going to see if I can do this to copy monitor. So to copy monitor, you want to just select the link here. And go in the Collaborate tab. And then copy monitor with selected link. And then I want to copy that level. It's coming in thinking, I think. Okay. All right, and then I want to copy this level and this, and I want to finish it. Okay, so I actually copied these other levels into this file that we're going to use for our modeling. So now another thing we want to do here is, let me see, now I'm going to go here, I'm going to select this. And the link, yep, so this guy and our link file, which is that, you'll get it sooner or later, yep. So basically what happens is you'll see these little things here that tells me that the file was monitored. And because we copied that level in, I don't know why that one's not showing. Yeah, there it is. So that's what will show when you actually copy monitor something. Now I want to go down to our level 1 lighting plan here. Now we don't need to see a lot of these elements here. So what you can do for that is, what we're going to do here for this is we're going to get this set up so we can move on with this guy. I'm going to go, yeah, level 1 lighting. And I want to go to click VV here, Visibility Graphics, and I want to select Revit Links here. And then here, we've got this link file here. So what we can do is we select by host. And now, once that's selected, we select custom. Okay. And then what that'll do is that'll allow us to okay, let me see. Whoops, sorry. Let me say apply. Okay. And that'll, okay, normally if you don't have this in custom, you won't be allowed to, let me see, custom. Oh, I'm sorry. I want to go by host. Yep, that's me. And then I'm going to go apply. Okay. Okay, wait a second here. Sorry, guys. I'm going to do this one more time. I've done this so many times here. Oh, I want to be in annotation categories here, of course. And say I have it set at custom. If you don't have it in custom and you go to annotation categories, you won't be able to do anything. So I've got it in custom, and then I want to go into annotation categories. Right, see it's clouded out. So I'll select and cancel that out. I'm going to select custom. By host view. Apply. Okay. Now annotation categories. And I want to turn off grids here. I don't need to see the grids. I don't need to see no furniture. No furniture systems. So we can just go in here and I'm going to apply this. And okay. Uh-oh, furniture's still there. So I'm going to go back here. The visibility graphics. V. Revit links. This is custom. This is going to be by host here. So there we go. Custom. Okay. Now here I want to shut off all of the stuff I don't need in this thing. So it was like the grids. Did the grids go away? Okay, grid guide. I'm going to find furniture, all the furniture out of here. I don't need to see that. Well, then you could. All right, furniture's off. I'm going to go apply and okay. Don't make me a liar, please. Okay. Really? Okay, so I'm doing something wrong here. Just bear with me 1 second here. So I go into my visibility graphics, Revit links, that file, custom. This is going to be yep, I got a book. Custom view, enable custom. It's enabled, and then I'll go annotation categories here, and yeah, that's highlighted, so I should be able to disable grids. And we'll just see if I can do the grids for now. They should be disabled. Let me see if I can do furniture. They should be all disabled. Oh no, furniture won't. Yeah, okay. Wait a minute. Model categories. And then I will go here and do custom as well. But I'm going to stick with annotation categories here. And I will just shut off the grids for now. Let me see if they're gone. Otherwise, we got to go back. Okay. So the grids are gone. And now to get rid of this other stuff, we can do the same thing. We go into our visibility graphics, and I'm going to go Revit links, and I've got this deal in custom, right? Okay, host view, And I'm going to go to model categories here. There you go, model categories, and I'm going to make this custom. This is how we'll get our furniture out of here. Custom here. And now we can get all this furniture out. We don't need the furniture systems, we'll leave the plumbing. And for now, let's just go with that. Apply. Okay. Okay. So now we've got a start of our Revit electrical model. That's how you link the file in and how you do some copy monitoring. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Sorry I got stuffed a little bit, but anyway, that's how you link an architectural model. So we're going to look at this in 3D here. So that's going to be our model, and we're going to use this as our electrical project. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate all of the subscribers, and y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again, everybody. Be safe. Bye. Super thanks.